Let's have a look at the line settings in NovaMind for iPad. In this mind map we have two topics selected, the mind map title and the first subtopic here. You can tell them whether to draw the stroke around the topics or not using this switch. You can use the standard color setting panel to set the line color. The full details of using the color panel are covered in another tutorial. And here is where you can set the line thickness. You can use the plus and minus buttons, or if you tap on the number, you can type in the stroke thickness you want. You can go from 0.5 to 10. Next, you can use this carousel to select the line dash pattern. You can either drag or swipe to move through the options, or if you see the option you want, just tap on it. If you turn on the Children Inherit Settings option, then the subtopics of the selected topics will be updated like this. Now let's look at a slightly different scenario. Here we have the same two topics selected, but we also have the link line selected. You'll notice a couple of changes here. Firstly, the color says Automatic. When you select multiple topics in the mind map, if there are different settings for the color or other values where we can't easily represent multiple values, NovaMind will use the setting from the last object selected. In this case, the link line was the last thing that was selected, so its color is showing. The link line is colored using automatic coloring, so it's always colored to have the maximum contrast with the background color. In this case, since the background is light, the line is being drawn black. Now when you go into the color panel, you can see that there is an automatic color button there. Let's just change the line color first. Now when you click the automatic color button, it sets the link line back to automatic coloring, but the topics themselves use the theme and automatic inherited coloring options to get their color, so you're just set back to using the default colors. The other thing you can see on the line panel when we have link lines selected is the line terminator settings. The terminator type is set using a carousel just like the dash pattern setting, and you can set the scale of the terminator. You can switch between the start and end terminator to make the changes you need. And finally, there is the default stroke button, which resets all the stroke settings to those defined in the theme.